Welcome to this video on using substitution to solve integrals. Today, we're going to solve the integral of e to the power of 2x over 3 minus e to the power of x. Let's start with the integral expression. The integral of e to the power of 2x divided by 3 minus e to the power of x with respect to x. Step 1. We will use the method of substitution to simplify the integral. We choose a substitution that will simplify the denominator. Here, we'll let u equal 3 minus e to the power of x. Therefore, taking the differential gives us do equals negative e to the power of x dx. Step 2. Let's express e to the power of 2x in terms of u. Remember that e to the power of 2x is equal to e to the power of x squared. So, solving for e to the power of x from our substitution equation, we have e to the power of x equals 3 minus u. Step 3. Substitute all the expressions in terms of u back into the integral. Using the expressions we found, replace the numerator e to the power of 2x with 3u squared and e to the power of x dx with do. Step 4. Simplify the integral and integrate. First, expand the numerator. 3u squared equals 9 minus 6u plus u squared. Now, each of these terms can be integrated with respect to u separately. Step 5. Substitute back in terms of x. Recall that u equals 3 minus e to the power of x. Finally, substitute u back with 3 minus e to the power of x to find the antiderivative in terms of x. And there you have it. We've successfully used substitution to find the integral of backslash frac e caret 2x 3 e caret x backslash with respect to x. I hope this step-by-step approach has helped you understand the method of substitution. Thank you for watching.